2,000 feet below ground,
अस्सलाम
a
वालेकुम
weird
जी।
yellow vehicle steadily
दोस्तों,
makes
वीडियो
its way
चेक करें।
forward. Designed to fit perfectly within a 9-feet-high tunnel, this vehicle raises the question, what is its
अगर
purpose?
पसंद
This
आए
vehicle
लाइक
is an
कमेंट एंड
underground
सब्सक्राइब तो
mining
बनता
loader,
है।
and it's supposed to have a flat body like this to be able to squeeze in tight spaces. Standing at 1.9 meters or approximately 6.2 feet, with
दोस्तों,
tires matching the
सब्सक्राइब कर
height
दिया
of its
करें
body, the loader can smoothly pass underneath.
और
But
लाइक
where
और
does the
प्यारा
driver
सा
sit
कमेंट
in
कर
such
दिया
a
करें,
vehicle?
मेहरबानी
The
आपकी।
driver's cabin is nestled between the two wheels, accommodating only one person.
ये देखो
Despite
गाड़ी का
limited
ड्राइवर कैबिन।
visibility due to the massive wheels obstructing the view, the driver easily operates the loader using buttons and gears. And that's because numerous cameras are strategically installed around the loader, providing a clear view of the tunnel's interior. With this setup, the driver
Like,
efficiently
comment, and
transfers
subscribe तो
ore
बनता
onto
है
the
ना
conveyor
भैया आपका
belt.
दोस्तों।
Remarkably, the loader's bucket can lift up to 14 tons of ore at once, making it a highly effective